Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about print-friendly websites and why they're important. Have you ever tried to print a web page only to end up with a mess of ads, images, and other unnecessary content? It can be frustrating and waste a lot of ink and paper. So that we need to log in on print-friendly website. You need to simply copy and paste your article and blog link. Then click on Preview button. Here you can see many paragraphs. When you hover any paragraph, you can see Delete icon. You can remove unuseful paragraph accordingly. Here an example of a web page in print-friendly format. As you can see, the layout is simplified, and there are no extra content.